Luxury courtyard homes, stunning indoor-outdoor designs with nature-inspired elegance. Introduction. Welcome to ByJustTD, where we explore the finest in architecture and design. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury courtyard homes, where stunning indoor-outdoor designs merge seamlessly with nature-inspired elegance. If you're passionate about sophisticated living spaces that bring the outdoors in, you're in for a treat. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below to stay updated with our latest content and share your thoughts on this topic. Designing for seamless indoor-outdoor living. One of the defining features of luxury courtyard homes is their ability to blend indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. This integration is achieved through strategic design elements such as expansive glass walls, open floor plans, and outdoor living areas that flow naturally from the interior. By using large windows and sliding doors, designers create a visual connection between the living space and the courtyard, allowing natural light to flood the interior and offering unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home but also choosing the right materials for a nature-inspired aesthetic. Selecting the right materials is crucial in achieving a nature-inspired aesthetic for your luxury courtyard home. Natural materials such as stone, wood, and concrete are commonly used to create a harmonious blend with the surrounding environment. Stone walls and wooden decks provide a tactile connection to nature, while concrete elements can be used to introduce a modern touch. The choice of materials should reflect the natural beauty of the landscape, and designers often use local materials to ensure that the home complements its setting. Additionally, incorporating courtyards. Into the design. The courtyard is the heart of a luxury courtyard home, serving as a private outdoor space that enhances the overall living experience. Courtyards can be designed to include a variety of features, such as water elements, lush landscaping, and comfortable seating areas. By carefully planning the layout and selecting the right plants and furnishings, homeowners can create an inviting space that offers both relaxation and entertainment opportunities. The design of the courtyard should be cohesive with the overall architecture of the home, blending seamlessly with both the interior and exterior spaces. Maximizing natural light and ventilation. Maximizing natural light and ventilation is essential in luxury courtyard homes to create a healthy and inviting living environment. Large windows and strategically placed skylights allow sunlight to penetrate deep into the interior spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting and enhancing the overall ambience. Proper ventilation is also important for maintaining indoor air quality and comfort. Features such as operable windows, ceiling fans, and natural airflow from the courtyard can help regulate indoor temperatures and improve overall air circulation. Designing functional outdoor living areas. Outdoor living areas are a key component of luxury courtyard homes, providing additional space for relaxation and entertainment. These areas can be designed to include features such as outdoor kitchens, dining areas, and lounges. By incorporating weather-resistant furnishings and durable materials, homeowners can ensure that these spaces remain functional and stylish throughout the year. The design of the outdoor living areas should complement the overall aesthetic of the home while offering practical solutions for various activities and gatherings. Creating a sense of privacy and seclusion. Privacy and seclusion are important considerations in the design of luxury courtyard homes. While the open layout and expansive windows create a sense of connection with the outdoors, it is also important to incorporate elements that provide privacy from neighboring properties and public spaces. Design strategies such as the use of screens, trellises, and strategic landscaping can help create private retreats within the courtyard. Additionally, careful placement of outdoor seating and activity areas can enhance the sense of seclusion and ensure that these spaces remain intimate and personal. Integrating sustainable design practices. Sustainability is a key consideration in modern luxury courtyard homes. Integrating sustainable design practices not only benefits the environment but also enhances the overall quality of life for homeowners. Features such as energy-efficient windows, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems can reduce the home's environmental impact and lower utility costs. Additionally, the use of sustainable materials and green building techniques can contribute to a healthier indoor environment and promote long-term durability. Enhancing the landscape. With thoughtful plant selection, the selection and placement of plants are crucial in creating a visually appealing and functional courtyard. Thoughtful plant selection can enhance the overall design by adding color, texture, and fragrance to the space. Designers often choose plants that are well suited to the local climate and complement the architectural style of the home. Additionally, incorporating a mix of evergreen and seasonal plants can ensure that the courtyard remains attractive throughout the year. Proper maintenance and care are essential to keep the landscape looking its best. Conclusion. In conclusion, luxury courtyard homes offer a unique opportunity to blend indoor and outdoor living with nature-inspired elegance. By incorporating thoughtful design elements, choosing the right materials, and integrating sustainable practices, homeowners can create a beautiful and functional living space that enhances their connection with the natural environment. If you enjoyed this exploration of luxury courtyard homes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Like this video and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences on designing indoor